Hello everyone and welcome back to Taskade. In today's special episode, we'd like to highlight why Taskade excels as a real-time collaboration tool and how you and your team can use it to get the most out of your team's productivity. Let's jump right into it. Now, for this video, let's assume that three people in a project are talking about their team's latest tasks. Taskade structure allows all three of them to edit and view the project in real time while taking into account all of the other features in the add-on menu of each task, as well as attachments that they can share with one another simply by dragging and dropping them onto the tasks. Commenting on tasks also becomes extremely simple by using the add-on menu to quickly let your team know your thoughts on the latest tasks. You can also switch between various views wherein there are multiple views within a project that you can think of like origami, where you can fold and visualize the same data but in multiple ways to change perspective or to use certain views for certain scenarios. These include a mind map, a list, a board, an organizational chart, and more views that will be added soon. A handy conference as well as a chat board on the side means not only can you add tasks and edit them in real time, but you can also communicate your thoughts with each other on the chat board, and if the need arises, also go ahead and audio or video conference with your team members to maximize productivity. There also exists an option to assign tasks to specific team members to make sure everybody remembers what their task is, and of course you can also customize the tasks with several accent colors to make them look more appealing. There is also a brand new project history option where you can view changes or time travel to an earlier point in the project using version history, effectively recovering deleted data in case you accidentally deleted something. All these features really do make Taskade one of the best in the business, given the fact that any Taskade user can access all of these features with their teams for completely free. Well, if you still haven't tried Taskade out, what are you waiting for? Go check out Taskade from the first link in the description below, and we will be back with a new video soon. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.